Hello everybody. It's wet here today, but does the lawn the world of good. The chair's in the middle of the lawn ready for putting a basket on with the feed tray, because I've got the feed tray 5 out. But I'm going to get them in a little bit. We'll put that on the end of the video. They've been out the whole time they've been out. It's been raining. Look at that one clapping all the way there. Was that a black? I can't see it from there. Yeah, it was a black copperhead. Look, beautiful. I've done a bit of work in the garden. Oh, let's just, yeah, that's all right. Done some work in the garden. Look, you can see what's gonna. The aviary's coming off and extending that wall to there, and then the wife said that's not straight, but that is. The bubble said it's level. That other bit's not. That you see that the blue aviary's not level, or plumb, shall I say? Oh, none of it was plumb. That's why what I'm doing is I'm trying to make the new plumb. Anyway. Yeah, done a bit of work in here. I thought I'd rip all the rubbish out that was here in the way. We'll come back here a bit, might be able to see more. Oh, there is the potential 2 compartments, maybe 3. Nudge nudge, wink wink, but that's a bit short of that one. They're 2 foot, because I've only gone off the off that back line there. Like I said, I'm going to have a false ceiling in there because I don't want I'm going to have that side covered anyway, but I don't want the birds right up there. And I reckon I'm going to go for 8. 2. The little perches I normally make, top and bottom. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'll have 8 and 8 underneath. That's what we're going to do. And as you can see, they'll be able to go through here. They'll go through here and have a bath in here, and then that other section underneath will come through and have a bath in this section here. That's the idea. I've probably done an overkill on the wood, but that'll have to do. It's not quite bang on, but as I do everything, it'll be level, hopefully. Yeah, this is solid, and then obviously this is there's the poo tray to collect the droppings. I've done it slightly different to the other shed. I've actually made these so they do go all the way to the back, around the stud work of the wall, and just had to do it really. I couldn't cut that out, could I? I suppose I could have cut a section of that out, but then, yeah, whatever. But anyway, then I've got to make the fronts up and have 2 doors. I think I'm probably going to go for doors on a hinge, because the other ones, every time I go in one side, the birds go down to the other. Vice versa, when I slide the doors across here to grab one, they all go down that side. So I'm not sure what to do really. I think hinge might be the way ahead there on that one. But this space here, look at all this space here I've got now. All this space. How far is that? Let's have a quick measure, i.e. from here. Look to there, that's 4 and a bit. 4 foot and a bit, look. That's all going to be space for storage. There's no point trying to put another kit box there because they're just too small, because that's what was there. It's too small, isn't it? But now I can get 8 and 8. And 8 is the magic number. You'll have to excuse the mess in here. I have not cleaned out for 2 or 3 days now. And because I've got 8 boxes in here, haven't I? 8 boxes, and I'll have 8 hens, or 8 spare hens, or 8 spare cocks. 8 and 8 and 8. So yeah, sorted. Oh yeah, I noticed I got a comment about what supplements I use, and I just got these out of the cupboard next door. These are what I use. These are the only 3 I go for really, plus one other what I've run out of. Everybody uses cider vinegar. Electrolux for after a nice fly, and Sedacol. That's good for the malt and the digestion system. So and obviously it says there liver, but yeah, digestive system and the malt. And the only other one I use is Jervik W Multivit, but I've run out of that. So yeah, that's and Homoform. I use Homoform and Matrix. I think everybody in the world uses Matrix. They'd rather eat that than food, wouldn't they? So yeah, that's all I give them. Yeah, sorted. Nothing much I can really show off today, I don't think. There they are. They ain't been up quite 2 hours yet, so I'll let them go a little bit longer. I wanted them to experience the rain. They'd probably drop if I got the feed tray out. But like I say, give them another little while. I'll put that on the end of the video. So I'll catch you in a bit. Right, it stops raining. Birds are probably going to want to go on, probably. We'll give them a cool down anyway, see if they come down. I've had an ounce of barley yesterday. That's all they had. Come on. Come on. Maybe next time. Come on. Come on. No, not yet. Come on. There's a black water come down, isn't there? You see that? Two reds still want to crack on, I reckon. Did anybody see that parrot flying over earlier? Just when I come out of the shed. Shoot the birds, and there's a long-winged, long-tailed bird fly over. I think it was a parrot. Looked like a parrot. I didn't see it until I looked at the video. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's that pilot print took him up there, look. Pilot print wants down, but he's a little bit nervous, isn't he? You see that? Bloody thing. There they are. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. One. Come on. Come on. See, look, it takes one bird. One shit one, or one badly trained one, to spoil the kit. Come on in. Come on. Lovely reds. Everybody else like reds? Is there anybody else like reds? Or the blacks? Little black hen. It's got a beautiful shaped head. I think it's a lovely pigeon, that black. Look at that head. Look at that head on that. Come on in. Get me in. Come on. Come on. Oh, I can't see that. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you like, or comment, subscribe, whatever. Look, I've done that Floyd door and left that security door, and that's left open. Look, what a wally. Okay, right. Time for a cup of tea. See you later.